welcome back to the CHAZTIIIZED channel. I'm Chaz. I appreciate every single last one of you guys for popping in today for this reaction, boy. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Can we get it on the screen one time? Hey, yo, so today we're going to be watching Otter Puppet House.
I need help.
Dude, I don't even know what we finna be watching. Let me hit the subscribe. You see how easy that was? So this was a viewer / member recommendation. Big up to them one more time. Damn, for real. For real. So over here, as you've seen, what we like to do is start, stop, start, stop.
I need help.
Nah, baby. So, caught me on 4K. Okay, so what we like to do is start, stop on our reactions. It's very simple. If you're unfamiliar with it, then you definitely ain't gonna see this coming. Can I kick it? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. So I'm Chaz. What I like to do is chastise. You know, that can be, you know, improving through conversation, you know, whatever way you want to take it. It doesn't have to be a negative connotation, baby. But I don't know what we're getting ourselves into. I have to be honest, but I have to do a little bit of solicitation. On the screen, there is a, you know, there is a like button. There is a subscribe and a notification recommendation. So please, you know, go ahead and do that if you're here in the building. And also just below me is the Cash App and Venmo if you would like and are so kind. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay. So if you're new here, I try to let the viewers, the new viewers know as a heads up that the subscribers and members are probably getting ready to head out at some point. Yep, there they go. And they're back. They already got their snacks, man. You guys got to do better, man. It's unfortunate for you newbies in the building. I feel bad for y'all. You know what I'm saying? But as we wait, you know what I'm saying? In the meantime, go ahead and get your snacks because we about to cue this up. Are you ready? DJ, hit that. Yeah.
And now we're pleased to bring you our feature presentation.
Whew. All right. This is gonna be interesting, man. All right, let's go ahead and mentally prepare. Okay, this is mysterious ticking noise.
What is that not mysterious ticking noise? It's not over here, it's not over there. It's kind of catchy. Snipe, snipe.
What?
Severus Snape.
Okay.
Snipe, snipe. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Damn.
Snipe. Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Perfection.
What is
Severus
this?
Snape.
Dumbledore.
Snipe.
Let's go, Ron.
Snape.
Dumbledore.
Snape. Snape. Severus.
Oh my God.
Snape.
What?
Hermione.
Severus.
Hermione. Dumbledore.
Snape.
Bro.
Hermione.
Severus.
Hermione.
Nah, bro.
Dumbledore.
Nah, bro. First of all, I don't know what it is that we are watching. How many people under the table? I mean, like, what's going on down there, bro? They got some sort of like piled up orgy thing going on, and then like every 2 seconds they got a different character.
Here comes a new challenger.
You know what I'm saying? I'm not too sure what type of freak off they got going on. Nah, for real, dog. Okay, so Snape, Snape, Severus Snape. Okay,
Oh, that's nasty. Oh, they're so nasty.
yeah, again, I'm not too certain what's going on. I'm gonna run it back because the ticking is a little bit catchy. It is a little bit catchy. I don't know what's going on though. All right, so hey, this was a viewer / subscriber recommendation. Hey, you become a member, you can send it in. All good, man, but hey, I have no idea what the hell we watching, bro. I don't know. This is the 10-year anniversary, and I don't know if they should have just let it stay. You know what I'm saying? Just let it die. But anyways, we're gonna run it back one more time. I am doing my best to be objective and watch this. So DJ, hit that.
And now our feature presentation.
All right, let's go. The mysterious ticking noise. Enjoy this.
What is that mysterious ticking noise?
Okay.
It's not over here, it's not over there.
Huh.
It's kind of catchy. Snipe, snipe, Severus Snape.
Okay.
Snipe, snipe, Severus Snape.
You are fake
Dumbledore.
news.
Snipe,
Okay.
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Snipe,
Bruh.
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Snipe, Severus.
Where Hermione at though?
Snape, Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Where Hermione at, bro? There she goes.
Hermione.
Oh my God.
Hermione.
Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, yeah,
Snape.
Harry Potter, Harry
Damn, why Harry coming in all freaky though?
Harry Potter, that's me.
Snape.
Harry, Snape, Harry,
Snape.
Harry,
Snape.
Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry,
Dumbledore.
Yo, this dude naked?
Snape.
Harry Potter.
Is he dressed? Huh? Bro, does he have on? Wait, is Dumbledore naked? Is Dumbledore naked, bro? What is going on? Bro, what the? Is he new? He's naked, bro. He don't have clothes on. What the fuck is
Harry Potter.
bro?
Harry Potter.
Nah, bro.
Harry Potter. Harry
Y'all got problems, bro.
Potter.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all got problems recommending this, bro.
Snape.
Harry,
Snape.
Harry,
Snape.
Harry,
Snape.
Harry,
Snape.
Snape, Harry,
Dumbledore.
Oh my God, this dude.
Hermione.
Snape.
Harry
Hermione.
Potter.
Oh my God, Dumbledore is nude, bro.
I'm Harry
Hermione.
Potter.
What the?
Harry Potter. Singing a song all day long at Hogwarts. I found the source of the ticking. It's a 10-year-old YouTube video. Wait a minute. 10 years? What are we still doing in school? Let's get out of here.
What?
Well,
Where's his
Makes you feel
clothes, bro?
old, doesn't it, Snape?
Snipe, snipe, Severus Snape, snipe.
Yo. Man, what the hell was that, bruh? Straight up, man. Straight up, man. Okay, well, it made the channel. That was probably the most random shit I done seen in a minute. My man Dumbledore came out, no clothes on.
Ball dropped.
Just absolute.
When freaky aliens give you lemons, make freaky alien lemonade.
Straight up. Freaky ass boy. All right, well, I gotta let you guys know that was not what I expected to be watching, but big up to you for the recommendation. You know what I'm saying? Hey, shout out Phoenix Angel 1990 for this. Absolutely. I call her Big Phoenix, you know, Fire Angel over here.
Hey.
You know, hey, shout out to you, girl. You know what I'm saying? Big ups to you. Wow.
Hello.
Man, I cannot believe we actually made it to the end of this. Boy, that was a little bit difficult to say the least, but I definitely enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed that. So, you know, if you guys made it to the end, I have to give you guys some credit. I do appreciate all you guys who do make it to the end of these videos. So, you know, big up to you guys one more time. Can you give them a round of applause, DJ? Yeah. Absolutely. So, if you want to see more content like this, yeah, you can become a member. You can send in any type of request. I will do my best to honor it. I'm gonna do my best because some things just don't make the cut. But this was definitely a win. Hey, one more time for Fire Angel 1990. Big up. Yeah, absolutely. W's in the chat. Yeah. Wow. Very unexpected. We will definitely be uploading this soon because your boy was super uncomfortable. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But if you guys made it to the end, I got to give you one of these. Yup. Yeah. So as you know, all good things must come to an end. I'm sorry, but you know, as they say, when you gotta go.
When you gotta go, you gotta go.
Gotta go. I'm sorry, I'm gonna miss y'all, but yeah, but that was crazy, bro. Straight up. I mean,
You're a wizard, Harry.
I mean, straight up, but also, I mean, girl,
You's a freaky ass nigga.
straight up, man. Straight up. Hey, Hey, if you made it to the end, then you caught that. But, you know, most people leave. But shout out to y'all one more time. I'm out of here. There should be a video on the screen, some sort of recommended playlist. There should be something random on the screen for you guys to check out. Please get lost, you know, go down a rabbit hole and just, you know, come out on the other side better and chastised for sure. In the meantime, I gotta go. W's in the chat. Yeah. What could have been worse? Dumbledore was nude. See, they have the 10-year anniversary, but they don't have the original.
The delicious taste of on your mama. Anyways.
W's in the chat.
Skip, boy. What? Oh, that wasn't even it?
All day long.
Okay, but let's keep it a bean. Let's keep it real. If we would have reacted to this, bro. Come on, man. If we would have reacted to this, bro, can you see the quality? Come on, man. Can y'all even see the quality? Like, bro. What? This ain't even 4K. This is like 24. Yeah, this is 240p, bro.
That's me. Severus Snape. Dumbledore. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Severus Snape. Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
This video got 200 mils.
That's me. Snape. Harry. Snape. Harry. Snape. Harry. Snape. Harry. Snape. Harry. Snape. 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 Harry. Dumbledore.
Bro.
Snape. Harry Potter. I'm Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Singing our song all day long at home.
I need help.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Yay!
CRM is so slow.
Bro, no fucking way. No way. Bro, what? That was way better of an ending. What? That was way better. Are y'all here? Bro, that was way better. What? Duh. I should have watched that version, even though it sucked. Even though the quality was freaking boo-boo. You know what I'm saying? Straight up. The quality on that one was ass. I ain't gonna lie. It was like 240p. Yeah. Yeah, so maybe no, because it's sacrilegious. Yeah, that was definitely sacrilegious. I cannot believe that they did that. They took out the best part, a pipe bomb. Dude, that was hilarious.